Hi, my name is Wendy. I'm from Port Elizabeth. I'm 33 years old. Currently suffering from polycystic ovaries. This causes haywire with my skin. I suffer from acne and then as well as dryness and oiliness type of combination skin. I'm struggling at the moment to get the right foundation for my skin tone, and so I saw Shiloh on Facebook and I started watching all the tutorials, etc. And yeah, so I saw a posting for a model and I grabbed the opportunity, and yes, I'm here today, so I will give you my honest opinion at the end of the tutorial. Thank you.
Okay, so ladies, I'm going to just cleanse Wendy's skin. She's got a combination of dry and oily, and she's got polycystic ovaries. So I've seen this with 8 out of 10 ladies on a daily basis, and that's what my products have been formulated for all of the side effects of polycystic ovaries. So all of the side effects from polycystic ovaries, that's what my products are for. So you can turn back to the camera. So that's just cleansing. Next, I'm going to apply my Photoshop primer. And I'm really going to put extra because she's got lots of redness, patchy redness, and also got to get it into her pores and her acne scarring, and also just to blur out the blemishes and uneven skin tone in certain areas. But I'm focusing mainly on just giving her flawless skin because that's what she's battling with. So her look today is going to be more about flawless skin and giving her perfect coverage and covering all of this and addressing her combination skin as well. So that's the Photoshop primer. Close your eyes for me. I'm going over. Okay, turn back to the camera. Next, I'm applying latte on certain areas like here, which is our corrector for lighter skin. Just going to dab on her little freckled bits here and there, like here, redness. And yes, under normal circumstances, you would use the green corrector for these red areas here. But my products have been formulated where one corrector works for redness, it works for your dark areas. So it is very versatile, and that's the Latte foundation, which is also a corrector as well. Next, I'm going to use light foundation. I've sprayed my brush, that much of foundation, and I'm basically just going to even out her skin tone. Big circles. Remember, the more dry your skin is, spray your brush at least 3 or 4 times in between. So I'm using the light foundation in the Shiloh Beauty range, patting under the eyes and on areas that have lots of pores. I can see really big pores here, so really get the product in with big circular motion like this, and pat on these areas so you're patting your product in. Taking the foundation all the way down, and this area here that never sees the sun, you'll always find this patchy bit that's lighter underneath the chin. So just make sure you get foundation in there so that the face, the neck, and the chest are all one shade. So I'm just patting on areas that needs extra coverage, like here. Okay, then I'm going to do this side of the face. Wendy is also a combination of yellow and pale in certain areas, so a little bit of a difficult complexion to even out. But what I do is, what I do is I find the complexion that is more dominant, and in her case it is more of the olivey yellow skin, so that's the foundation I've chosen for her. just to make sure that she is not too yellow and that she is a balance between olive and yellow, and that's evening everything out. Okay, she's got the characteristic pimples and slight overgrowth of hair underneath the chin, which is so characteristic of polycystic ovaries. But hers is not that bad. Just a few zits that I needed to cover, and a few here. Open your eyes, look up for me. Just going to seal underneath the eyes. Your corrector has done majority of your coverage work, so I'm just going to add on some foundation here underneath the eyes and seal with number 7 powder. Sealing with our number 7 powder. And then I'm going to contour her nose and the rest of her face, and I'm doing more focus on her lips and her brows and her lashes rather than heavy eyeshadow. Pack it in there, so I'm using the powder puff that comes in with your powder just to pack it in so that you get a nice smooth finish. Okay, so if you have big pores and you've got acne scarring, then this is the technique. Face beat your powder in layers. Next I'm going to do her brows, and then I'm going to contour and do her lashes and her liner. So just making sure we've got powder all the way down. Every bit of skin needs to be covered, especially for the blotching underneath the neck. I'm going to bake some underneath the eyes, so I'm just going to leave some excess powder underneath just to bake, because this area tends to get a little bit oily. I can see it, especially here as well. So we're just going to bake, and then you're going to close your eyes, but I'll tell you when to face me. Okay, let's do your brows. Next, I'm going to clean around the brows using the light foundation and our concealer corrector brush. And I'm also going to use this as a base for highlighter from the Shiloh Beauty palette. Using the lightest color from my Shiloh Beauty palette on the inner corner, because she's got quite sunken eyes. And just going to enhance the brow bone, and I'm actually going to lift her brows a little bit more because that's the look that I'm going for, is focus on the brows, the lashes and the lips. Just contouring her nose, also from the Shiloh Beauty palette. Very light shading on the outer corner. Okay, next I'm going to do your liner, but in the meantime I'm going to prep your lashes as well so we can save on some time. Okay, while I'm waiting for that to dry, let's just cut your cheeks. I'm going to do lashes next. Okay, just sealing the lashes. Rub your lips together. Keep your lips together and smile for me. Hi my beautiful, so this is what Wendy looks like for her after look. If you'd like to know more about what products I've used on her from my Shiloh Beauty range of foundation and powders, please WhatsApp me on 079-272-4713. Ladies, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to see more of my amazing tutorials. Until next time, bye!
Wow, it doesn't look like me. Yeah. The pimples. And
What
everything.
pimples?
No, what pimples is, I'm tearing up.
Okay.
No, it's really nice. It looks fabulous. I've never seen myself like this
Dab
before.
underneath, dab underneath. Yeah, just dab inner corner, outer corner, and I'll fix it for the after.
Yeah, this looks absolutely stunning. Feels light on my skin. I just love it, really. It's fabulous. Yeah. I'm lost for words. Really, this is fantastic.
So what advice would you give to the viewers out there?
Well, I'll definitely, they need to try this. Really get into contact. I keep on forgetting your name, Shiloh. Shiloh. Get in touch with Shiloh. Let her do a test on your skin. She's good in what she does, really. I'm seeing this for myself now. Yeah, please give her a try. You won't be disappointed. Yeah. Thank you.